Whirlpool Dishwasher Model WDT710PAHB repairs. Clean on your schedule with this 24-inch Whirlpool dishwasher. Its tall tub design holds larger cookware, and its cycle status indicator lets you know exactly how long each phase takes. This built-in Whirlpool dishwasher has a smudge-resistant finish and offers normal, heavy and high-temp options to handle different soil levels. Repairs. For the home, kitchen and beyond, Whirlpool manufactures appliances that homeowners have come to trust. Even a trustworthy appliance requires occasional maintenance or repair, however. If you're in need of Whirlpool appliance repair from experienced professionals, your local appliance helper can help. Whirlpool dishwasher is not cleaning dishes.